Hello dear students, welcome to geography class, chapter number 1, our environment for class 7, part 8. In previous class we have completed about atmosphere and hydrosphere. The atmosphere is consist of 5 layers. That layers are the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. And also we have learnt about previous part hydrosphere. So hydrosphere is made up of water and the earth is covered by some 71% earth is covered water and 29% the earth is covered the land. But 97% the earth is covered, the land is covered the water. So that is glaciers, ice caps, rivers, lakes, oceans, that all are coming in 71%. But in 97% the ocean water and seas water exist in the earth's surface. But it is the marine water, it is not fit for drinking. And 3% water present in the earth's surface. It is a fresh water. So this water is fit for drinking. And afterwards some 29%, see here student, some 69% the water is covered in the glaciers, ice caps and snow that, and some 30% water exists in the underground water. And this water exists in 3 states, that solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. And glaciers, ice caps and snow, these are existing in solid, and some river water, rainfall, lake water, so these all are existing in which state? Liquid state. But in gaseous state, it is the boiling water. Gaseous state is the boiling water. By example, it is evaporation, is the gaseous state. So these all we have completed in previous class. But in today's topic is the lithosphere. See a student, lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere, so it is the outer part of the earth. It is the solid crust. See a student. It is the earth, lithosphere. So it is the outer part of the earth. Also it is the solid crust, of the earth. So it is made up of rocks. It is made up of rocks. See here. It is the outermost part. And second point, it is solid crust, and also it is made up of rocks. Lithosphere is made up of rocks, and this crust is comprises that continents and oceans. So this land, lithosphere means what? Land. So it is land is the outermost body of the earth, and it is the solid crust. This solid crust is in some categories, that it dividing in some categories, some continents and oceans. See here, continents and oceans. This crust is dividing the land is dividing that continents and oceans. Some large amount of land masses occurs in the earth, existing in the earth, so that is known as continents. And some large bodies of water existing on the earth's surface, so that is called oceans. Understood? So what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is a line. It is the outermost part of the Earth's surface. Okay, and it is a solid crust. It is the solid crust. So it is made up of rocks. So where we stand, that is also lithosphere. Okay, and this lithosphere existing in some parts like continents and oceans. So what is continent? Some huge amount of land masses on the Earth's surface. Huge amount of land masses on the Earth's surface is called that continents. And huge amount of water bodies existing in the Earth's surface, so that is known as oceans. So understood, student? Okay. Some various landforms also present in the lithosphere. Some landforms are there. See here. Landforms. Some landforms existing on the lithosphere, some Earth's crust. So that landforms are there here. Mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains. So these all are existing in the land. So these are including in land. These are the landforms: mountains, valleys, plateau and plains. So actually the lithosphere, some island also existing here, not in, okay, see here. So also existing here hills, islands, okay, and also you can see here peninsulas, peninsula. Okay, student, mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, hills, islands, peninsula. Peninsula means what, student? Some three side water and one side is land. It is called that peninsula. So these all existing in lithosphere, means it is the earth crust. Okay, student, it is about lithosphere. So once again I repeating lithosphere. So lithosphere is the outermost part of the earth's surface. Lithosphere is the outermost part of the earth's surface. It is in solid crust. It is in solid crust. This crust is made up of rocks. This crust is made up of rocks. Okay. And also see here, this crust is dividing in two categories, that this crust is dividing in two categories, that continents and oceans. The huge amount of land masses is known as continents, and some huge amount of water bodies is known as what? Oceans. Okay. And see here, students, some landforms also existing in the lithosphere. That landforms are there here: mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, hills, islands, peninsula. Okay, student? So it is about lithosphere. So next, let us start now. Next topic, biosphere. So next topic is there here. Biosphere, about biosphere. You know that, student, the region of this surface, the atmosphere. Biosphere is the narrow contact of air, water and land. Okay, it is the narrow contact zone. Contact zone. So it is a narrow contact zone to the atmosphere. That is air, hydrosphere, hydrosphere, it is water. And next it is also atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Lithosphere means land. Okay, student? The biosphere is a narrow contact zone. Biosphere is a narrow contact zone, means it is close to the, it is nearer to the atmosphere, means air, hydrosphere means water, and lithosphere means land. So here living organism, with living organisms also existing in biosphere. In biosphere these all layers are existing with living organisms also existing in this biosphere. Okay, student. So in this region, see here, biosphere, it consists of 3 layers, you know that. These are the 3 layers. It is consisting of 3 layers, and also with the living organisms also existing in biosphere. So it is about biosphere. So see here, student, biosphere. So lithosphere. Lithosphere also completed here. Biosphere is also completed. So lithosphere is it's the outermost part of the earth's surface. It is a solid crust. It is made up of rocks. Okay, lithosphere is made up of rocks. Understood, student? And also see here some lithosphere also consisting in some landforms, including some landforms. That landforms are there here: mountains, valleys, plateaus, okay, some islands, rivers, lakes, so many are there here. Okay, some landforms, river is not coming here. Okay, some valleys, hills, deltas, islands, peninsulas, etc. that. Okay, so it is existing in lithosphere, and lithosphere is a home of living organisms. Okay, and about biosphere, biosphere is the narrow contact zone. So biosphere is existing in 3 sphere sites. That's 3 spheres are there: atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Atmosphere is air, hydrosphere is water and lithosphere is land. These 3 spheres existing in biosphere. It is a very narrow contact zone, this. Okay, and afterwards, so this biosphere is existing in living organism. So with the living organisms also existing biosphere. Okay, student, here completed natural environment. Natural environment. Okay, and also see here, student, the earth is unique planet. The earth is unique planet. Okay, the life exists on the earth. The life exists on the earth. Okay, and some ecosystem. That ecosystem is including that living things. So it is known as ecosystem. It is calling that ecosystem. So ecosystem is known as living things. So that living things are there, animals, plants and some living organisms are present in the ecosystem. Okay, so earth is one unique planet here. So earth is have the life, existing life here. Okay, so in this biosphere we have studying in this part, in this topic. Okay, and also ecosystem. Ecosystem also includes here some living organisms, that plants, animals and some other living organisms. Okay, student, I hope today's topic understood you about lithosphere and biosphere. Okay, I hope today's topic you understood and you make it point correctly in your notebook, and after completing your work you send it my WhatsApp number. Okay, so any doubts, any difficulties is there, means you call it anytime. Okay, student, here completed today's class, means today's part 8, and today's topic also completed about lithosphere and biosphere. and next topic I am continuing in next period. Thank you.